Hello everyone. With the help of this training, let's understand the different methods and protocols to be followed for a fire safety at workplace. So fire will always stop burning if any of these things are removed, which is oxygen, heat and fuel. So let's learn and be prepared for a fire emergency. Number 1. Always know your building's evacuation plan. We should always try to learn the different icons made on the map so that we can easily take the next step for exit. Know your building's assembly point in case of any emergency. There may be one or more exit doors in your area. Always know your exits and choose the safest route. We should always be aware of firefighting equipment, first aid, and their placements at the workplace. Fire extinguishers and all safety measures must be readily available. They should always be free from obstructions at all the time. Do not cover them under any storage. All the emergency exits and pathways must be clear or free from obstructions at all the time. When you notice a fire or smoke, warn everyone immediately. And activate the fire emergency alarm or call emergency number. Always remember and be careful. When you are trained, then only you can use firefighting equipment to control the fire. Otherwise, evacuate the building as soon as possible. When in an area filled with smoke, lay down and move slowly. Always take the most direct and safest route to exit the building. Do not focus on collecting your personal belongings before exiting. Never use lifts or elevators. Always try to use stairs in case of fire emergency. And the most important part is once we all are gathered at one safe place, which is emergency assembly area, stay calm and listen to the supervisor's instructions carefully. Now let's understand how to use fire extinguisher using this unique pass technique. So team, safety is always the priority in case of an emergency. Learn how to pull the nearest fire alarm. Don't get dependent on anyone else. Try to save your lives. Dial these emergency helpline numbers, inform them about the situation, and evacuate the building fast.